Hi friends, welcome back. So in today's video, I want to talk to you about some mistakes to avoid. Number 1 is jumping from one plan to other, jumping from one resource to another and experiencing FOMO, fear of missing out. So the answer to that is we must trust the material that we have. We must not jump from one plan to other because our friends are doing some other plan or some other resource, because we could always end up thinking maybe our resource is not good enough, and that is something which we need to get over. We need to trust our material. Only then we can actually get something out of it, right? So number 2, don't overwork and be so exhausted. We could be staying up all night, or you could be doing something so much, but because you're so tired and unable to focus, maybe nothing is going in. But because you are planting a lot of trees, or you're staying up so late, that you could have that fake feeling that you did something, but that's actually a negative feeling, because it's only gonna make you to have that fake feeling, pseudo feeling of achieving something, but at the end you seriously do not know anything. And for proper memory formation, you need to get proper sleep. So sleep is very important. Do not compromise on sleep. And also for your mental clarity, your mind needs to be fine, right? If you are overworking and so exhausted, your mind is not okay. You're not getting proper memory formation. Nothing is becoming okay. So please don't overwork. You can do this in the time that is available to you. You just have to be smart in how you decide with like what all time, like what are you gonna do and all those things. Number 3, you will forget what you looked at. This is something which I had to face so much. There were many times when I studied or went through stuff, and later on when I looked at it, I was like, okay, I don't remember this drug's name or something like that. That is why we need to revise. We need to revise, we need to revise, we need to revise. We need to revise a lot of times, okay? Sometimes we did not forget something, but it's there in our head, but because we did not revise, it's not coming up really fast. So that's one thing which we need to understand. It's only by revision after revision after revision we'll be able to master something. It won't just happen in one day's time, and it's not abnormal to forget stuff or to not remember stuff which you looked at. Number 4, learn from mistakes and move on. Don't stay in the mud. It's only when you keep moving you will reach somewhere. Please don't stop. One of the biggest mistake that we are all faced with is depression and all those type of situations. It's not a mistake to be depressed, but what I'm saying is don't stay in the mud. If we are staying in the mud, we will never move forward. We need to keep moving. Only then we will reach somewhere. So we must not give up. Number 5, focus on your weakness and make them strong. Don't be stuck on your strong subjects. Number 6, don't forget to review your GTs and mocks, or else it will be just as same as you didn't give them. As only when you understand what your mistake is, you can improve. Otherwise, it's the same thing as you did not give a GT. So, number 7, know previous day itself what to do tomorrow, or else a lot of time will be wasted because you seriously do not know what you're going to be doing tomorrow, and you'll be a lot confused. You will be confused a lot, and you might not utilize the time properly right at the end. And at the end, as usual, I want to say you're not alone and you can do this, my friend, but please try to avoid these mistakes. And I don't know what all other mistakes are possible, but you can comment down below so that others can not make those same mistakes.